Imagine waking up in 2026 and realizing your job no longer exists. Not because the company failed, not because the economy crashed, but because an AI system now does your work faster, cheaper, and 24/7. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. Artificial intelligence has moved beyond chatbots and image generators. Tools powered by companies like OpenAI and Google are now writing reports, analyzing legal contracts, designing marketing campaigns, coding software, and even handling customer service calls. In 2026, AI is not just assisting workers, it is replacing tasks, and in some industries, entire roles. Let's be clear, AI is not taking all jobs, but it is eliminating repetitive, predictable, and rule-based work. For example, customer support agents are being replaced by AI voice systems that sound human and resolve problems instantly. Content writers are competing with AI tools that generate articles in seconds. Junior programmers are seeing AI write clean code with fewer errors. Data analysts are watching AI dashboards generate insights automatically. The real shift isn't physical labor, it's cognitive automation. White-collar jobs, once considered safe, are now exposed. Companies love AI for three reasons: cost reduction, speed, and scalability. An AI system does not need salary increases. It does not take sick leave. It does not work 8-hour shifts. It runs continuously. And in competitive markets, efficiency wins. But here is the real truth most people ignore. AI is not replacing humans. It is replacing humans who don't use AI. There's a difference. In 2026, the most valuable workers are not the ones competing against AI. They are the ones managing, directing, and leveraging it. Marketing managers who use AI for research, designers who use AI to prototype faster, developers who collaborate with AI coding assistants, entrepreneurs who automate entire workflows. The job market is not shrinking, it is transforming. New roles are emerging: AI workflow architect, prompt engineer, automation consultant, AI ethics specialist, human AI collaboration manager. Every technological revolution eliminates some roles and creates new ones. When computers arrived, typists declined, but software engineers exploded. When the internet came, traditional retail suffered, but e-commerce boomed. AI is another revolution. The difference is speed. The transition is happening faster than previous industrial shifts. Skills that were stable 5 years ago are now outdated. So what should you do? First, stop fearing AI. Second, start learning how to use it. Third, build skills that complement automation: creativity, strategy, emotional intelligence, complex problem solving. AI handles execution. Humans handle judgment. The people who lose in 2026 will be those who ignore the shift. The people who win will be those who adapt early. AI is not the end of work. It is the end of average work. And the real question is not, will AI replace jobs? The real question is, will you evolve with it?